Give me one. You like him? You do? One. You like him?
Whenever anyone touches his mother, that's when this guy gives a warning. Before the delicious food, his eyes seem to want to say a lot. In many games, enjoying the game doesn't necessarily require physical activity. For large families, the train is the perfect choice for an exciting trip.
You stink.
Huskies are always ready for anything, as long as it doesn't involve taking a bath.
You need a shower. You need a shower.
Você vai apanhar. A mãe, você vai apanhar. Deixa eu pegar o chinelo.
Hey human, stop
Vai
it.
apanhar. Ah, sim.
He didn't realize that in order for his birthday party to stand out, he needed to dress really well.
Telling you right now, you better be. Pack your bags. You're out of here. Okay?
To achieve a perfect body, the support of this personal trainer is extremely important.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
All your efforts are in vain when your hug comes at the wrong time.
What's that? What's that, brother?
¡Feliz cumpleaños, tata! ¡Feliz
As long as you are loving, these guys will give all their affection to you.
cumpleaños, tata! ¡Feliz cumpleaños!
Look! Oh my God, Mika, tú corrió.
Following this misunderstanding, perhaps the husky needs to be appeased with an explanation. Your most important task right now is to be by his side and take care of him.
The secret is you got to ignore him,
Okay,
and then he'll stop.
all right.
All right, so you just ignore him, and hopefully, and he's going to stop.
When lazy mode is activated, even moving becomes an impossible task. According to this stylist's standards, Mom's hair needs an upgrade.
By 1 million years ago, we can
This is your share of the food, but he will take everything.
Our ancestors.
He is not just training an individual, he is turning the session into a group lesson. The only way to keep Mom was to take away the socks, but that was exposed from the start. For this aspiring singer, daily vocal training is essential. This is his favorite bed, and it's hard for anyone to get him to leave it. This isn't Egypt, but here you'll find an animal version of a pyramid. It's hard to tell who is walking whom. When he's not ready, it's difficult to accomplish. It takes a long time to transform, but this guy only took 5 seconds to reveal himself. To keep the people who love you, sometimes all you need to do is put away the things that belong to them. Even when you feel extremely lazy, the people around you will still help you. With his presence, he always brings more joy to the ceremony. Transporting tree branches will become easier with this enthusiastic support by your side. The difficulty of the game seems to double when Dad gets involved. For dogs, everything can be turned into a game, even a water tap.
We love you, Shimmer.
This cute trick has been used, but unfortunately, it didn't work on his father. Cooper won't let you lead, he will cling to you. Sometimes Golden's help turns into a destructive game. Compared to going to the vet, being outside will probably do things that make him feel comfortable. Just enjoy it the right way, and the vacation will be better than ever. Their harmony and communication skills seem to have been elevated to a new level. Deep sleep can sometimes lead to unpredictable moments. Being with the person you love, no matter where you are, is the most comfortable place. The most beautiful performance is when his music and voice blend as one.